Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Sesame Care offers a direct and transparent way to access healthcare services without the need for insurance. Their platform provides a clear pricing structure for a variety of medical consultations and procedures, allowing patients to understand the costs upfront. This eliminates the surprise bills and confusing jargon often associated with traditional healthcare billing. Through Sesame, you can book appointments with licensed healthcare professionals, including doctors, therapists, and specialists. They offer virtual consultations for added convenience and accessibility, as well as in-person visits depending on your location and the specific service required. The platform strives to simplify healthcare navigation, providing users with a streamlined booking process and easy access to their medical records. Sesame aims to make healthcare more affordable and accessible, offering a range of services from primary care to specialty care. Their network includes a diverse group of practitioners, allowing you to find a provider that meets your specific needs. Whether you're looking for a routine checkup, mental health support, or specialized medical advice, Sesame Care may provide a convenient and cost-effective solution. They are working to change the way people access healthcare, offering a more transparent and patient-centered approach. Sesame Care empowers individuals to take control of their healthcare journey by providing clear pricing, convenient scheduling, and a variety of services. They offer a potential alternative to traditional healthcare, especially for those without insurance or those seeking more transparent pricing. Consider exploring Sesame Care if you're looking for a more straightforward and affordable healthcare experience. They are consistently expanding their services and network of providers to meet the evolving needs of their patients. Remember to check their website for the most up-to-date information on available services and pricing in your area.